Go Fast guy Dan, just checking in from northern Nevada along the California Trail. We stopped here last night to camp and to Go Fast on our way from Virginia to California, and actually ran into a couple problems with my Go Fast. So I'm just going to explore that today in today's video. One has to do with the hinges, and another has to do with some ice buildup inside the camper. So stay tuned. Build number 243. Just got my hinges replaced. Something to be aware of here is of the debris that can get in there and prevent the hinges from opening. Something to keep in mind with these new hinge designs. Easy way to clear it is to use like an ice scraper brush or something. Just go in there and get all that debris out. You can use the other end. Just drove across the country from Virginia and I just noticed the ice buildup here into the camper. I'm assuming it's from the condensation drip. Something to be aware of with the Go Fast or any wedge style camper really.